So Azure's really easy to build services on and develop kind of solutions and applications. And most customers start with Azure as a bit of a playground. You know, they're starting to find their way and develop applications. But before you know it, it can turn into a production application, then 2 applications, 3 applications, and you've got an ungovernable management overhead where you've set off and started with your Azure tenancy as more of a playground, and now you're in a production nightmare. Microsoft have got a best practice design pattern called Virtual Data Center, which gives a governance umbrella for handling multiple projects in Azure. Node 4's Azure Scaffold solution has taken this blueprint. We've automated it in Terraform as an infrastructure of code model and added a load of governance services around it, so we can give you a best practice jumpstart to your project, so you can have the peace of mind that you've got a proper implementation of Azure where all the role-based access control and governance frameworks in place for you to then accelerate your projects.